Hi, today we are making Nargasi Kofta or Scotched eggs with savory sauce. The Nargasi Kofta originally was created by Moghuls, then adopted by Hyderabad region. This dish comes with a lot of history. They say that British Scotch egg was inspired by this dish. So let's go and make a Nargasi Kofta. Ingredients for Nargasi Kofta: minced meat 400 to 500 gram, cut 2 medium size onions, 4 eggs, hard boil them, 1 cup yogurt, 1 cup tomato paste, fresh ginger and garlic, green chilies, 1 cinnamon stick, a little piece of mace, few cloves, few black pepper, poppy seed, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, and 1 black cardamom, 1 big spoon of chickpea powder. This is my spice box. I will take 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili or paprika powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is the powder of spices I have showed you before, and just I have add green cardamoms and nutmeg to it. I will use only 1 tablespoon of it in Nargasi Kofta, and the rest of powder I will store in a airtight bottle. This is the chickpea powder. I will dry fry little bit. This is ready. Chickpea flour, roasted. Now put minced meat in a bowl. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or paprika powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, chickpea flour, 1 tablespoon of whole spice powder, crushed garlic, grate some ginger, few green chilies, coriander leaves, mint leaves. Now I will mix it in the machine. It is done. These are our hard-boiled eggs, and take some water in a bowl. So we will make koftas. Now take the minced meat, make a ball like this, flat it over your hand, flatten it, and then put the egg in the center, and with the help of your thumb you cover it and rotate. This is the way to cover the whole egg inside. Rotate and press with the thumb. You see, the whole thing is covered. To avoid slits, put some water in your hand, and then do it like this. It will be evenly cover the whole egg. So I have made four Nargasi Koftas. You can make 5 or 6 as per your need. I have just boiled 4 eggs, so there is little bit more minced meat left. So I will make a big kofta without filling it and put with the Nargasi Koftas. It's a small one, but it's okay. I will add half cup of oil and put the heat on, and I will fry it until golden brown. It is almost done. I will reduce the heat and take out from the oil. I will put it aside to let it cool. Preheat your oven on 180 degree centigrade. Now beat one egg and take a half cup of breadcrumbs. Take the kofta and coat with the bread, first in the egg, then with the breadcrumbs, and coat with the breadcrumbs and put in the dish. The same thing I will repeat. Coat with egg, then I just rotate the ball like that, and then this is the easy way to coat the kofta. Put in the dish. Now I will put in the oven and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes on 180 degree centigrade. Now I will put yogurt in the mixture. Then I will add fried onion. I will take advantage of mixture and put ginger with the onion. Now it is done. I will start cooking. Heat on. I will take out the whole paste I have made with the yogurt, onion and ginger. I will add some spices in powder form, 1 teaspoon, then 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, or you can use paprika powder, as I am using paprika powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it. Now at this stage I will add tomato puree, paste of tomato. Reduce the heat. Now I will add garlic, crushed garlic. I will add garlic, fresh garlic. Cover the lid, reduce the heat and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. It's done now. The savory sauce is also ready. I will now put kofta, Nargasi Kofta in the gravy sauce. Add little bit water. Mix it. Just cover the kofta with the gravy. Cook it for 5 minutes on medium heat. After 5 minutes, I will put off the heat and dish out. Nargassi Koftas are ready. I have garnished it with green leaves and green chilies. And if you want, you can sprinkle a little bit of whole spice powder and serve it with rice and naan or bread. I have served myself in a plate. It's beautiful and it's really tasty. So it was our dish of today. As you see, I have used fresh garlic and ginger and freshly ground whole spices. It makes really good taste of dish when you use everything fresh. And the other thing, as you see that I did not fry the koftas, it makes heavier the dish, so I coated them with breadcrumbs and put in the oven. Also it prevent the kofta from breaking, so it was easier way to make Nargassi Kofta. Try it and let me know how it turns. I hope you will make it and enjoy it with your family. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.